This is not a video I wanted to make, not a video I planned to make at all. Normally this is something I would solve on my own, just do it quietly. First off, the 3 videos that I planned this weekend got canceled because Colorado is supposed to get 4 feet of snow this weekend. And obviously they're not going to host a car show with 4 feet of snow, at least I'd hope not. So that can't happen. And second off, whenever I turn on my car, this happens, and I don't want this to happen. Oil change, that's fine. Ignition, that's fine. See the airbag light? It's freaking out. Driver and passenger restraint. I detailed my car and I pulled the seats out. I didn't film it because I didn't think I'd need to, and it was just a kind of therapeutic thing for me. I wanted to get my car as clean as possible. And you see, it's clean. But then apparently I broke my car. So I'm off to Minneapolis, Loveland to go get that fixed. Anyways, how are you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing well. It's a pretty nice day out. As you can see, I'm wearing kind of a t-shirt looking thing today. So, yeah, let's get a cold start and then let's get going. Nice little mean start today. It's actually sounding good today. Okay, we got a little underpass here. I had to. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are at Minneapolis, Loveland. Hopefully they can get my issue fixed. Okay, so they are clearing up everything. Turns out I was due for spark plugs, brake flush, brake pads, new oil, and a couple other things. The only thing I knew about was the oil, so I just had them look at that. But they're gonna get all that cleared up. It just means that we're gonna be up here for like 6 hours as opposed to like an hour and a half like I had originally planned. And it's 80 bucks because I pulled out the seats as opposed to them pulling out the seats. So if I do it again, they said don't turn the car on and it'll be fine. But anyways, we're gonna look at some of the cars around here and some of the cars across the street and all around. And yeah, okay, we're gonna check out BMW, Loveland, and a couple of dealerships up here. I'll let you know if we find anything interesting to drive. That needs help. We've walked our way over to Mercedes Loveland, where we've found C43s among other things, and C300s, because we've never driven a C300 apparently. Okay, we walked through all of the lots up here at the Motorplex in Loveland, and there was nothing that was super interesting to us, because the used car market right now is terrible. It's basically everything is completely always sold because of COVID. Basically, because of COVID, everything's sold. So, can't find stuff. We might go try some of the other places further north since we have another 4 hours till my car's done. So just we're walking past this. There's a new M3 sitting up there. I don't like the grill, but it's new M3, so it's cool. And that's a new M2 competition, which is really cool because I love those. But I haven't seen the new M3 in person. Like from right about there, where you can't see the grill. No longer you can't see the grill. There it looks good. That just looks good from all angles. Okay, we're up at Audi of Fort Collins. I like this S4 and the RS5 they have over in the corner. But they also have a couple other cool things. Like an RS Q8. For those of you who don't know, the RS Q8 is basically a Lamborghini Urus. They have a second RS Q8 too. Wow, this one's got the blackout package too. Nice. So, that's not supposed to be like that. Who broke a Porsche?
I like that.
That was nice though. Yeah, it's loaded. Also hiding in the corner. M235. Makes a good noise. So I just got word from Mini that also apparently my engine mount is bad, and that's not covered under CPO or under the warranty that we got, even though it should be covered under the warranty we got, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna have them take a look at that. But also, engine mount shouldn't be failing at 50,000 miles. Okay, I just got off the phone with my dad because we went through the entire list of what was included on the certified pre-owned warranty. Engine mounts are not covered because they are considered a rubber part, and rubber parts are not covered. But yeah, rubber parts are not covered under this Mini certified pre-owned warranty, so I have to pocket that cost, which is not fun. So blow up this video so that I can afford that, or so that I can pay my mom back for that.
Please.
Because yeah, I would like to put that money towards things that make my car faster, not things that just are that. Anyways, we're off to Mini Loveland now to go pick up my car, schedule the brake thing because that is covered, and figure out where to go from here. All right, let's go see the numbers, see how much this is gonna cost me. I know it's 80 bucks to reset an airbag light. 80 bucks for an airbag light because it's a German car, which is dumb because they have to go through and make sure everything works. Crap. Anyways, yeah, the motor mount, I'm not happy about it, but it is what it is at this point. Okay, I'm gonna be paying attention to the motor to see how much vibration there actually is. But yeah, they let me back in. Oh, there's a little bit of water in my car. Why? Probably wet back in the shop. Smells clean. They got annoyed with the thing constantly beeping at them, so they unplugged it. Nice. Oh dang, I just noticed. They reset my, oh, go away. They reset my trip computer. That sucks. I wanted to see that break 10,000, but I don't think I ever will. Or at least I won't see it break 10,000 until I do my own oil. I don't want to do my own oil. I can't fit under my car, because my car is low, and it's stock height, and I'm gonna make it lower. I'm sure this is all just placebo, because I've been in my mom's Jeep, been in my mom's Jeep all day, and her Jeep isn't exactly fast, but my car feels a little bit faster. Like, and that's louder. That's definitely louder. I think that's just with the new spark plugs. It feels just a little bit quicker, which is nice, if that's actually the case. I'm gonna test that, because I brought my Draggy with me, so I can try that. So, let me pull out the Draggy. I will do 1 or 2 quick runs, because I know exactly where I can. And then, yeah. So, I'm gonna be quiet about this, and we're gonna do this real quick. Okay, I got 2 spots right here that I can do a quick 0 to 60, so we're gonna do one of them right now. Save my camera. 693, that's my best in my car. Okay, one more spot. Then I gotta kind of disappear out of here. So, look around, make sure there's no one there. 750, way too much wheel spin. Way too much wheel spin. I've only cracked the sunroof this time because it's a little cold, and also they washed my car because they're nice, but tunnel, have to. Yeah, totally worth missing my exit. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Yeah, please blow this up because I really don't want to have to pocket or make my parents pocket 1,200 bucks for engine mount. But yeah, it is what it is. I might have them replace all of them, like just go around and replace them all just as a preventative while they're in there, because like it's so much in labor and so little in actual parts. It's 100 bucks for an engine mount, but 1,200 bucks for the replacement because the parts are insane. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.